Oh yeah, guys. We're playing one of the best games ever. Sons of the Forest. Start a new game here. Let's do normal. Shit. Let's get right into it. Oh yeah, cutscene. Here we go. Holy shit, we're on the island. Not Epstein Island, but the island. Where all the mutants live. Oh my god. This place looks amazing. Is that a raft right there? What is that? Going in choppers. Oh, see that campfire smoke over there? Ooh. Oh, who's these guys? Oh shit. We're looking for these guys? Alright. Oh, another campfire. You see that? Shit. 31 meeks. Oh. Alright. Oh. Fight. Demons. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, we're going down, boys. We're going down. Oh fuck, hold on to your dick. Oh shit, oh shit. Ooh shit. Whew. Not dead. Not dead. Oh shit, I'm not dead. Oh. Oh, that guy's alive too. Buddy, what are you doing over there? Okay, well, he was alive. Oh, yeah, he's definitely dead. Yeah, can I get down? Oh yeah, knife? Hell yeah. Oh. Shit hurts. Oh shit, who's this guy?
Who invited you here?
Who invited me? Not your mom. She's a nice lady. Oh shit. You let me live. Oh, that's convenient, isn't it? Emergency only. That's just a deer. Oh shit, what's this? Batteries and meds. A bunch of them. What was that? You hear that, Martin? Oh, a grenade. Holy shit. Okay, let's crack open this emergency only kit. Seems to be an emergency, right? Crack this sucker in here. Got an axe, GPS, a lighter, and a guidebook. Okay. Some flares. Arrows for a bow I don't have. Tarp. Printer ink. Fuck am I gonna... Oh, who's this guy? Oh shit! One of them did survive! Oh. You alright, buddy? Oh, his ears are fucked up. He's probably deaf. Yep. Oh, we're coming back, we're coming back. Oh. Oh. You know, build a fire. Wow, you didn't have to do that to him. Instantly pulls out a grenade. Alright, let's get started. See that poor fucker that died. Mushroom King. Oh my god! That is one badass fucking raccoon. Holy shit. Oh my god, there's another one. Alright, let's chop this bitch down. Oh my god, it's kind of slow. But I really like the chopping animation and shit. Holy shit, he built a fire. We can pick up logs? Hell yeah, only 2? Now, I've played this game before, and I've beaten it. But for entertainment purposes, I'm gonna act like I don't know shit. Just build a quick little base. Hell yeah. Bro, why can't I put it there? Okay. Day 1 in the forest. Can I just eat this? Okay, well I didn't die. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna move these. Guess we're going this way. He's just chilling. You know what? Build shelter. There we go. You help me out. Oh my god, this game looks so good though. Alright, jump cut to the base. Alright guys, I did a little base building off camera. As you can see. Let's just go out here real fast. Yep, as you can see, did a little mining off camera. Got some supplies, built a base, built a solar farm, built that, built a giant wall because I could. This wall goes pretty far, you want to see? Alright, we're going to show you a base tour. Here's my launch pad, my Fortnite glider. Okay, here we go. As you can see down there, my wall. It's made out of logs that I cut. And right now I'm working on the electric fence that I'll show you in just a second. After I show you how fucking big this thing is. So it kind of goes right here. Here's my second house I'm not finished working on, you know. And it goes around, goes around. There's a little camp area. I get supplies so I don't die. Goes all the way around and comes back. Boom. Just like that. And I got a little bridge, got zip lines, I got solar farm, I got shit like that. I got a little giant tree house thing. A nice path that cuts through here so I can get to my other house. And then I'm currently working on another location. You can go stop by, see it real fast. Spot, you can already see the house. And look at this lake. It's got a nice island and everything. Man, it's just perfect. But I got a little cabin next to, you know, a cannibal house, so it's not that nice. I got my launch pad so I can use my glider. It's pretty much, there's nothing there yet, really. There's a chopper here, so that's pretty cool. I head back to the main base so I can show you my electric fence. Now, yep, definitely works. But this doesn't go all the way around the base yet. Currently working on it, but you know, some people keep getting in the way. This thing takes a lot of fucking power. I'll have to show you my giant powerhouse. Alright, this is what I was talking about earlier. A giant powerhouse. Look at all these solar panels in here. It takes all this shit. And we come up here. There's even more. Oh, guess some fucking broke. That's great. Can't even carry them. So it takes all this power to get that bitch to work, you know? And it goes halfway. I'm not even halfway done. But I did a little glitch thing to place logs in between those to make a second floor. But yeah. Remember how I said at the beginning of this video I've played the game before? Well, it's because I have. This is my actual save file. I kind of thought it'd be boring if you guys just watched me play the game. Starting over. But, yeah. Here's all my shit. I guess I could really do a big ass fucking long series playing the game, but I just figured it'd be boring for you guys. I just wanted to, I guess, show off my shit. I don't know. I also really want to thank you guys very much. I appreciate it so fucking much. 250 subscribers and almost 1 million views. That actually blows my fucking mind. And I just want to thank all you guys watching my videos. It's really cool. Never thought that was ever going to happen. But holy shit. My most popular video right now has like 300,000 views. That is insane to me. Bro, I thought 1,000 views was awesome. Bro, fucking 300,000? Holy shit. Oh my god. I want to hit 100,000 subscribers. That's my lifetime goal. I've always wanted to hit 100,000 subscribers. I heard that they give out like YouTube awards for I guess Orange YouTube gives out awards kind of like YouTube does when you hit 100,000 subscribers. And I want to get one of those. That'd be really cool hanging on my wall. But yeah. I guess that's it. Here, let's see what day we're on. 86. You know what? If this video does well, I'll do an actual series. I'll do a series. I'll make more videos, actual gameplay videos. Yeah. So I guess I don't want to set a goal because it's kind of stupid. Just I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I got you know, I got a real life job, so it kind of interferes with me making videos. That's why I don't post very often, because my real life job. But if I could make a full career out of this, this would be awesome, and I'd so totally love to do a full series of this video and shit. Just playing this game and other games and whatever content you guys want to see. But yeah, I mean, it all just depends. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. I promise more. Alright, thanks. Bye.